The World Bank estimates that Africa will need about $12 billion for COVID-19 vaccines and their distribution to attain sufficient levels of vaccination coverage to interrupt virus transmission, according to new paper by the bank and the IMF. A paper written by the International Monetary Fund also argues that G20 countries should extend their moratorium and debt repayment offered to the world's poorest countries. It says this should be done for another year in response to the pandemic. The World Bank and the IMF are hosting their spring meetings this week to discuss issues of global concern, including vaccines, debt, economic recovery, and climate change. The paper argued for a further extension of the Group of 20's debt service moratorium through year-end, noting the continued high liquidity needs of developing countries and their deteriorating debt sustainability outlooks. It said the amount of money Africa needed to interrupt transmission of the virus was about the same as the total amount of official debt service repayment already deferred by 45 of the poorest countries participating in the G20's Debt Service Suspension Initiative, DSSI.